everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of instant photography with a closer look at the Lomography LomoInstant camera in black. This isn't just another instant camera. It's a device designed to push the boundaries of what instant film can achieve, offering a truly unique experience for photographers of all levels. Right off the bat, one of the most compelling aspects of the LomoInstant is its incredible versatility. It comes equipped with 3 distinct shooting modes, ensuring that users are prepared for virtually any instant photography scenario. Whether it's a bright sunny day or a dimly lit indoor setting, this camera has a mode to capture the moment perfectly. This adaptability is further enhanced by an ultra-advanced lens system, which works tirelessly to deliver crisp, clear images, a crucial element for any camera, especially one dealing with instant film. What truly sets the Lomography LomoInstant apart from its competitors is its groundbreaking aperture setting. It boasts the largest aperture available in the entire instant photography world. This isn't just a technical spec, it translates directly into stunning photographic possibilities. A larger aperture means exceptional performance in low-light conditions, allowing for brighter, more detailed shots without relying solely on the flash. More importantly, it enables the creation of beautiful, creamy bokeh, giving photos that professional, artistic depth of field that makes subjects truly pop. But the creativity doesn't stop there. For those who love to experiment, the LomoInstant is a dream come true. It empowers users to shoot captivating long exposures, transforming everyday scenes into ethereal light paintings. And for the truly adventurous, it offers the ability to shoot unlimited multiple exposures. Imagine layering different moments, textures, or even entire scenes onto a single frame. The artistic potential is immense and truly boundless with this feature. Despite these advanced capabilities, the camera remains remarkably user-friendly. It includes essential features like auto exposure, which intelligently adjusts settings for optimal results, taking the guesswork out of capturing a great shot. A built-in flash is also there to provide that extra burst of light when needed, ensuring subjects are well illuminated. Weighing in at a manageable 1.63 pounds, and with compact dimensions, it's also a camera that's easy to carry along on any adventure, ready to capture spontaneous moments. In essence, the Lomography LomoInstant Camera Black is more than just an instant film camera, it's a creative tool. It invites photographers to explore, experiment, and express themselves in ways that traditional instant cameras simply cannot. For anyone looking to elevate their instant photography game and unlock a world of artistic possibilities, this camera stands out as an exceptional choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.